Hey, what is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today, well, I guess I kind of forgot that I had the GoPro view of when taking out the GSR. So I thought I'd just post it. It's more of like everything that I kind of did of taking out, because I think with the first video I did like a just quick, like, oh, here it is, there's boom, motor out. This is more of I took this part off, did that. Yeah, my light's tweaking, I don't know why. But yeah, so enjoy this video. It's more in depth, and yeah, I think my thing's haunted. Enjoy the video. All right, so I couldn't find my little phone mount. Oh. And I just remember we had to take off the whole shifter. Thinking about it, I still have quite a bit to do. And then hopefully when I release this, the shift linker doesn't just fall down because I disconnected. Dang. What do you do, Loctite these? Suckers are hard. Ugh. Actually shouldn't fall because the boot inside for like the heat and all that. Actually, I don't think that one even moves. I think that might be holding it. Let's see. Haha, sweet. Damn, this K10 looks pretty nice. Put this Type R shift boot up. Oh no, not Type R, it's password. Dude, I tried finding one of these. I can't find them anywhere. The password JDM, dude. All right, so let's go back down there and take off the shift linkage, because that thing is not gonna be used anymore. Oh. Whew. Close that. Put that right there. Drop down here. Hopefully I don't hit you guys. All right, and then theoretically it should just pop out. Sweet, got it. And bro, this thing is beefy. B series linkage are way beefier than the old D series. Later on, we gotta invest in like those like little jacks that hook up to the air compression to go. Well, got this. Damn, I didn't realize how beefy this was. Later on, whenever I get a chance, I will bring the D series out and compare them, because I bet you the D series is like maybe like this. Yeah. So got everything underneath besides axles out, and yeah, let's get to that. So on the trannies right here is, so there's gonna be two plugs. This one is to fill up or see the level, kind of. When you're filling it up, it's gonna be dripping a little bit. And then this is a drain plug right here. So we'll just get our ratchet and attempt to loosen this, if it's possible. Maybe try going up. Oh. Wow, I just socked myself, and you guys saw that. Ouch. Well, more like I scratched my nose, but ouch, that hurt. There's no way you're hitting a transmission back then. Holy. All right, let's get ready. Please don't splash back on me like those fail mechanic videos. I've been watching a lot of mechanic fail videos and all that. Most of them are funny, but some are like, I don't want that to happen. Alright. Ew. That's actually pretty clear. That is actually pretty clear. So let's clean this up. Once I drain this, I can pop these off, and hopefully no fluid dramatically leaks. And yeah, while it's doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and start taking this off. So you want to take off that 32 mil nut. Yeah, 32 mil nut. Take this castle nut off right here. And then don't take it off completely yet. Just loosen it, and then you want to bang like, or try to bang right here. We got to turn the wheel. My neck's getting tired. Turn the wheel this way, bang it, and then it should pop up. Once that happens, loosen it, pick it up, push the axle in. Might have to take this off or loosen it. No, I gotta take this off, I believe, and pop the axles off. Let's get to it. Whew, my neck's tired. 32 mil. Boom, got that one. Boom, got that one. Oh, frick. This thing comes in handy for those. And I believe this thing has more torque than Rex. I'm gonna hit down there. I like to jack it up just a little bit so it has pressure going up. So when I hit it, the low control arm is just gonna go down. And yeah, let's get to hitting, I guess. And also you want to leave the castle nut on. Might have to go like this. Oh, there you go. Sweet. Put that down. Take this off, and now this should be able to come up. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Now just turn the wheel that way, and do the same for the other side. Oh, nice. 3 hits on that. Take this one off. Boom. Put that right there. Push that back. So now that should be pushed. Yeah, let's see how this goes. I don't have the suspension unbolted yet. Let's straighten this out. Pick it up. Come on, go up. It's probably the ball joint that's not letting it go up. All right, you want to play like that. Make sure I don't hit Rex. It's not gonna be good. There we go. Boom, like that. Oh, axle should pop out. There's a little ring that goes on it. I guess I'll put it back like that. Whew. It's a nice day out too. I don't even know. I don't know why what happened to my music. There we go. All right, and then what the heck is that? What the? I got tape. Go get a pry bar real quick, and let's get an angled one. Angled, yeah. Trying to choose my weapon. Go down here. Move them nuts over. Alright. Try to get between the axle and the tranny. Pop a rag just in case. All right, now I believe I can attempt to pull it out. Yep, nice. All right, let's see. Can I pull this out? Yeah, we. Dang, this thing's nasty. That's nasty. Okay, I'm gonna have to unbolt that suspension bolt. Give me 1 second, guys. Whew, it's hot. All right, so I went ahead and moved this out the way, stepped on that while holding this, and it came out. So, whew, that thing was heavy. Now if I can just put this back without smashing my finger. I think I got it. Almost. This thing needs some bushings in the front. Let me see. Bring it out forward. That's too funny. There we go. Whew. Wash up daisy. I guess maybe I'll might just leave this off, because when we put in the new axles, we're gonna have to take this back off. And then just put the nut back on. And this one back on too. Not tying it yet. Sweet. Now onto the other side where the half shaft is. That is probably going to be exciting. So now we do the same. Pick this up. And of course, you're going to be a little punk and not come out. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah, we gotta push that back out. So let's do that, because I decided that by accident. Please don't snap. Okay, cool. Make sure your brake lines are not stretching. All right. Yes, I'm out of breath because it's friggin' hot. Come on, come on. All right, so after a little while, we have got the axle out. Couldn't get it out because I guess it was pulling the whole shaft. And yeah, so now we have that out. Finally got the alternator plug out. What else? Drain the coolant. As you can see, I pulled the hose back there and it drained.
It's not coolant, everybody, it's just water.
It's just water, yeah. Same thing. Cools down your motor. Well, look at that. We have got the guts. Or the veins, actually, I should say. Is that like factory LS, or did you make the whole thing?
That's factory LS. I still utilize most of my factory clamps too. I still have most of my factory clamps except for the little hoses.
Dang. I will try to do the same. Keep the factory clamps. I wonder if I could use these hoses for mine.
Maybe.
Cause
I know your radiators are a little smaller.
no, radiator's bigger.
No.
It's my I guess my radiator's
Oh no, you had a stretcher or something.
Yeah. Got this stuff moved to the side, so now we jacked it up. Oh dang. Have not been probably taken off since freaking when the motor was put in.
That one was loose. Yeah, we're gonna have to go really high with this car, huh?
Yeah. We can lift up the car, put it on jack stands, put the 4x4 or whatever, that block, big block, and then start jacking it even more. Driver motor mounts off, passengers off. So now just T-bracket it.
See if you could grab it. Pull up on it.
Yes. Yeah. The old T-bracket. Make sure it's not cracked. And we are bueno. All right, that's gonna be it for today's video. So I saw in the last video that people did not know what we were doing with the Integra. So we are putting a K20 into the Integra. And yeah, so I guess here it is for those new subscribers. Thank you for subscribing, all you, each and every one. I appreciate. And yeah, so if you guys like today's video, give it a thumbs up. Share this video with friends, family. Just if you guys could help me get more views, more subscribers, that would be awesome. So I can keep on producing this content. And yeah, subscribe, obviously, with that notification bell on for more content like this. And until next time, peace.